Hello students, this is the diagram of organs. What organs? Organs of speech. Of speech. Means when we speak something, what organs participate? This is very important part when we discuss pronunciation, phonetics. So when before phonetics we should know the structure of our mouth and what organs participate during speech. We have to remember, then only you'll become you will come to know about mechanism. You'll be able to understand mechanism and pronunciation properly, right? So that is why I'm discussing here. So one by one I would highlight and then discuss where to start first of all. So then, rough diagram you can do practice of this way I'm making. You just can see, yeah, this way. You just have to make the diagram where you can show what you can show. You should start from lips first of all. These are the two lips, right? So here lips labels, right? Lips labials, है? These are the lips labials. Then you should go with teeth, right? Teeth is dental. So here you can show teeth, and this is teeth is, these are the teeth, is dental. Alright. Then go with nasal cavity. This is nasal cavity. Somewhat you can show here nasal cavity, right? And here they haven't written, but I to tell you, you can write nostril, nostril, right? And before behind nostril there is nasal cavity. Now I will tell you one by one other part. Then come to tongue. Okay, so how tongue will be shown? This way. This is tongue, this is tongue, है ना? So this is tip of the tongue. You can even feel in our mouth, that's a uh, triangular part. Beginning part is called tip of tongue. Then this is blade of tongue. This corner of our tongue is called blade of tongue. Then this is body, or you can write tongue, tongue, right? Then this is back of tongue, and where tongue is attached is called root of tongue. So this way you should understand, actually you should feel where is tip of tongue, corner is called blade of tongue, middle part is called tongue, right? And back part is back of tongue, and root where tongue is attached. So this way you should understand tongue, and you should explain in diagram, which is very important. You should make you should start practice now. Okay, now come to the that's a next part, which is called hard palate. Palate, okay, I tell you, hard palate. So this is called hard palate. Hard palate. Okay, and this back is called, this is called soft palate. Soft palate, I tell you later on. Okay, so now, which is called palate, right? Hard palate, soft palate. So that is called alveolar ridge. Alveolar ridge, when you touch your front part, actually whole organs of speech are divided into two parts this way. Upper one is called active articulators, and lower one is passive articulators, right? So this is there. So now when you touch your uh, upper part, hard palate, you feel that there is kind of part in the front, in the teeth ridge is called alveolar ridge or alveolus, right? Then behind this, that is alveopalatal. Why? Because soft palate, hard palate. So there's a palatal, alveolar palate. Okay. So this way you can remember. Then back part, when we do gargle, we find one hanging part which is called uvula, right? And before uvula, there is velum. Okay. And these parts cannot be seen. This part can be felt only. What? Pharynx. So before this, there is a what we can say, pipe which goes to lungs is called pharynx. Okay. Then glottis, very important part of organs of speech, glottis, right? And then there are two pipes. One is food pipe and one is, that is, windpipe. This is windpipe. This is trachea is windpipe, and esophagus is food pipe. Food pipe. So this way you have to remember, right? Very important part of your course, right? So this is, then one more diagram I have to show. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. This diagram I have already shown you. Yeah, I was talking about hard palate. This is hard palate and this is soft palate, which is also called velum. Okay. Now next diagram. Actually, I wanted to show you, that is uh, yeah, mechanism. We'll discuss mechanism also. So later on we'll discuss articulators and also many things I have to tell, but later on. But this is very short video for organs of speech. So take care and remember it. Okay. Thank you so much.